I'm an attorney in the DC and Virginia area. How can I get more involved and where can I find training on effective advocacy, particularly because this and other individuals would want to, of course, avoid taking on a case that inadvertently could, frame an issue in a way that's not helpful or entail an inadvertent pitfall for actual civil rights advancement. I wonder if you have any thoughts, and maybe as well for attorneys beyond just the DMV area.
Yeah, and I actually live in Washington State, so I can't speak as well specifically to the DMV area, but I can say, first of all, if possible, start before you have that case. Start educating yourself now, so when you have the case that comes along, you're a little bit more prepared. But reach out to different organizations, right? So, Alana mentioned that there's a equivalent of Equality Ohio in almost all the states, right? There's like Equal Rights Washington, Equality Ohio, and I think there's even a website that lists them all. I don't know if Alana, you could put that in this chat. You can reach out to that organization. The ACLU also has affiliates in almost all of the states, so, and then there's also other LGBT organizations. A lot of states have an LGBT bar association that you can reach out to, and they provide trainings on these. I know that the equivalent organization here in Washington does trainings for lawyers and for judges on LGBTQ issues, and it's specific to the legal practice. If you find yourself kind of grappling with an issue that you think is a little bit sensitive and you're not sure how to navigate it, reach out to one of those organizations and just ask them to kind of talk it through with you, or if they can kind of review the argument. We generally appreciate those kinds of things because we don't want, bad law out there. So having somebody kind of reach out to us is a good thing. And sometimes that's also how we get involved in cases, right? I have a case right now in Illinois that just local counsel was assigned as a public defender a case and realized that there were some kind of, trans issues that were beyond her expertise. She reached out to the ACLU and we are working together on that case now. So I would recommend looking kind of at your local resources, and that I think every state has them.